I want to ask you something honest. Have you ever watched a video about money, read a book about budgeting, made a plan that made complete sense, and then 2 weeks later, found yourself doing the exact same thing you were doing before? I have, more times than I want to admit. And for years, I thought the problem was discipline, willpower, motivation. It was none of those things. The real reason is something much simpler and much harder to fix. And once you understand it, the way you think about every financial decision you make will never be the same again. Let me tell you about a Tuesday in March. I had just finished building the most detailed budget I had ever made. Every category, every dollar, color-coded, perfectly planned. I was proud of it. By Friday of that same week, I had ordered DoorDash 3 times, bought something on Amazon I did not need, and transferred $50 back out of my savings account for reasons I genuinely cannot remember. The budget was perfect. I was the problem, or so I thought. Here is what I actually understand now, that I did not understand then. Your financial behavior is not driven by what you know. It is driven by what you feel, what you have always done, and the environment you are living inside of every single day. You can know that DoorDash is expensive and still order it at 9 p.m. on a Wednesday when you are tired and the fridge feels like too much effort. You can know that impulse purchases drain your savings and still click buy now on something that caught your eye at the wrong moment. You can know all 7 money lessons I shared in my last video and still wake up on the first of the month wondering where it all went again. This is not a discipline problem. This is a design problem. And the difference between those two things changes everything about how you approach fixing it. A discipline problem means the solution is trying harder, motivation, willpower, reminding yourself of your goals, white-knuckling through temptation. If money were a discipline problem, every person who has ever watched a finance video, read a finance book, or made a New Year's resolution about money would be financially sorted by now. They are not, because willpower runs out. Every single day, your brain makes hundreds of small decisions. By the time you reach the moment where financial discipline is required, your willpower tank is already running low. This is called decision fatigue. And it is the invisible reason why the best financial intentions in the world still lead to the same outcomes at the end of the month. A design problem means the solution is changing your environment. So the right financial decision becomes the easy one, and the wrong financial decision becomes the hard one. That is a completely different approach, and it actually works. Let me show you what I mean with 3 specific examples. Example 1. Saving money. Discipline approach. Remind yourself every payday to transfer money to savings. Hope you feel motivated enough in that moment to actually do it. Design approach. Set up an automatic transfer that fires the moment your paycheck hits your account. The decision is made once. It happens forever. No willpower required on payday. No decision to make. The environment does the work. This is exactly what I showed you in the $10,000 savings video. The reason it works is not discipline. It is design. Example 2. Impulse spending. Discipline approach. Every time you feel the urge to buy something unnecessary, fight the urge. Remind yourself of your budget. Be strong. Design approach. Delete the shopping apps from your phone. Remove your card details from every website. Create a 24-hour rule where nothing can be purchased until the next day. The purchase feels less important 24 hours later, almost every single time. You did not become more disciplined. You changed the environment, so the impulse had nowhere easy to go. Example 3. Eating out too much. Discipline approach. Tell yourself no every time you want to order delivery. Feel guilty when you fail. Design approach. Spend 90 minutes on Sunday prepping 5 meals. Put them in containers at eye level in the fridge. The easy decision is now the healthy one because it is right there in front of you. This is what I talked about in the spending tracker video. The reason food spending dropped was not because I became stronger. It was because I changed what the easiest option was. So here is the shift I want you to make after watching this video. Stop asking yourself, how do I get more disciplined with money? Start asking yourself, how do I design my financial life so the right decision is always the easier one? Every time you find yourself relying on willpower to make a good financial decision, that is a signal. A signal that something in your environment needs to change. Not you, your environment. 3 things you can design today, right now. Before you close this video, 1. Automate one financial decision that you currently make manually. A savings transfer, a debt payment, an investment contribution. Remove the decision from your willpower entirely. 2. Make one financial mistake harder to make. Delete one shopping app. Remove your card details from one website. Put your credit card somewhere less accessible. Friction is your friend. 3. Make one good financial habit easier. Prep your lunches for 3 days instead of 7, if 7 feels too much. Put your savings account app on your home screen. Make the good choice the path of least resistance. Small design changes, massive long-term results. Because the person who designs their environment wins every single time over the person who is simply trying harder. If this video connected with something you have been feeling, you are not alone. Most people think they have a money problem. They have an environment problem. And now you know the difference. The free environment design checklist is in the description. 3 columns, 12 design changes, ranked by how much impact each one has. Link is below. If this helped you, subscribe and share this with someone who keeps telling themselves they just need more discipline with money. Because now you know that is not the answer. I will see you in the next one.